What do you got? Oh, Gracie, that's beautiful. What about on this one?
This one is Mommy.
What is this for? What are we celebrating? Remember?
Quiet.
We're celebrating Irish. St. Patrick's Day.
At the side.
Remember? And we celebrate St. Patrick's Day because we're Irish.
Iris.
Remember how I said Olivia is going to go to school and they're the Irish? Hey, what do we say to cheer on Olivia when she does sports? We say, "Go Irish!"
Iris.
Say it louder. Go Irish!
Go Iris.
One more time. Go Irish!
Go Iris.
You're a funny girl, Gracie. Can you blow a kiss to Olivia? Okay.
Olivia.
Olivia. We're very proud of you, Olivia. Go Irish.
Iris. Go Iris.
Go Irish.